everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will show you different types of dupattas to wear on plain black kurtis. There are so many varieties of dupattas available. You can try with black kurtis like Banarsi, Chanderi silk, chiffon, georgette and many more. To know the different contrast color combinations of dupattas, please watch the video till the end.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.